Hello friends, welcome to Math Easy and it's me Sagar with another educational as well as interesting video. Today I have brought another video of factorization and today we will learn to factorize the algebraic expression with 4 terms. So watch the video till the end, and if you are new on this channel, please subscribe the channel as well. So without delay, let's start the intro. Okay, so let's start the today's topic. We have today's topic as a factorization by dividing into group of 3 to 1 terms. So we are going to factorize the 4 terms algebraic expression, and first of all we will learn to factorize this algebraic expression by dividing them into 3 to 1 terms, means first 3 term and last 1 term, like this. So if we focus on this first 3 terms, then we have here x square plus y square plus 2xy. So further if we compare this one with the formula of a square plus 2ab plus b square, then we got the same terms, means we can convert these 3 expression into the form of formula of x square plus 2xy plus y square, means a square plus 2ab plus b square. In this way we have to divide the given 4 terms algebraic expression into 3 to 1, means 3 terms will change into the form of formula a plus b whole square and the remaining one will be same. Then x square plus 2xy plus y square is changed into x plus y whole square, and 1 we can change into 1 square itself. So further we can have a square minus b square. Then further we can use the formula of a square minus b square, which is a plus b, a minus b. In this way we can do the factorization of this type of question. Let's see another question we have here. 1 plus 4x plus 4x square minus 16x to the power 4. So again if we see the first 3 terms, then now we have again the same type of expression, means we have the a square 2ab and b square. Then again we can change into the same formula of a square 2ab and b square. So 1 can be converted into 1 square, 4x can be converted into 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 2x, and 4x square can be converted into 2x whole square, minus 16x to the power 4 will be same. Then again a square 2ab b square can be converted into a plus b whole square, means 1 plus 2x whole square. Then further we can convert 16x to the power 4 by 4x square whole square. Then again we can change the formula a plus b, a minus b. On the same way we can solve this type of problem, only we have to focus first 3 terms or last 3. For generally it is given in first 3 or last 3, means we have to see whether the 3 terms are in the form of a square 2ab b square or not. If we can see this type of expression, then we have to factorize this 4 terms algebraic expression by dividing them into 3 to 1 terms. Let's see another question. Now we have factorization by dividing into 2 groups. So we will divide the 4 terms into 2 terms, then we will solve. So further we have this type of question here. 2a cube minus a square plus a minus 2. So if we divide these 4 terms into 3 then we don't see here having the form of a square 2ab b square. So we cannot convert this expression into 3 So further we have to divide this one into 2 terms. So let's see what happens if we divide the first 2 and last 2. If we divide the first 2 and last 2, then we will have a square common from first 2 and 1 common from last 2. So we can take the common like this, a square bracket 2a minus 1, and at the last 2 1 common, that is a minus 2. So if we see the further this 2 bracket expression, then we don't see they are matching, isn't it? 2a minus 1 and a minus 2 are different expression, so we cannot solve from this part, means first 2 and last 2 we cannot take the common. Then we have to think and we have to categorize the terms where the expression inside the bracket will be same, means these 2 bracket value will be same. According to that we have to change the group, or we have to make the group of 2 terms. So I have divided this one into 2a cube minus 2 and minus a square plus a into 2 groups. So let's see what happens next. Then from first 2 we can take the common 2, and from last 2 we can take the common a. Then from first 2 there is the remaining a cube minus 1, and from last 2 there is a remaining of a minus 1. So here also we can see that the bracket expression are not same, but wait, we can do this one for the solution of this a cube minus 1. As we know that it can be converted into a cube minus b cube, and if we use the formula, then we will get a minus 1 in the next step. So we have to think like this: if the bracket value are not same, then further by using the formula we can convert them into same expression. So let's divide the terms a cube minus 1 into the formula a cube minus 1 cube. Then we can use the formula of a cube minus b cube, which is a minus b multiply a square plus ab plus b square. Then remaining minus a into a minus 1 same. Now we can see that a minus 1 being common. So again we can take the common of a minus 1. Then remaining in the first expression will be 2 multiply a square plus a into 1, that is a, and 1 square will be 1. Then in second expression we have the remaining is minus a. So by taking this a minus 1, we have the remaining of 2 and this expression, then minus a in the second expression. So let's multiply by 2 and open the bracket next. Then we have 2 into a square, 2a square, 2 into a, 2a, 2 ones are 2, minus a same. Then if we subtract 2 and a as a like term, then we have a minus 1 multiplied to a square plus a plus 2. In this way we can factorize this kind of expression. So basically today we have learned about the algebraic expression where we have the 4 terms, and it can be solved by dividing them into the 3 1 or 2 2 terms. So if we see the formula of a square to ab and b square, we have to divide the expression into 3 and 1 term. And if we don't see that kind of formula going by the algebraic expression, then we have to divide them into 2 2 terms. In this way we can solve. So this much for today, guys. And if you like the video, subscribe the channel, share with your friends, and if you are new in the video, again subscribe the channel. Thank you.